from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI, advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover, and the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now, because seating is actually limited, and I'm not just saying that.
Welcome to Elite Credit Investment Advisors. I'm Dr. Cam. I've got with me today Miss Emma from the Filipino Call Center. She's been with me over 10 years, and she knows everything there is to know about ins and outs and ups and downs of creative and learnable financial techniques. We have 3 pillars of wealth program that we'll be talking about today. That includes credit mastery, smart investing, and financial education. With the Credit Mastery, Financial Education, and Smart Investing, I've written books and published them on Amazon. They're available there, but we do have digital copies for free, completely free. All you have to do is call this 877 number down here, 1-877-587 4540, and talk to Miss Emma. Miss Emma, tell us a little bit about the 3 pillars, and then I'll get us cranked up on the latest and the greatest.
Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. And again, Elite Credit and Investment Advisor. We are inviting everyone. If you interested in credit mastery, if you need some help building your credit score, personal or business, we can help you. And we have AI software that can help you monitor your credit score. We are helped by Dispute Beast, and it's guaranteed that they will gonna assist you. Will gonna assist you on building your credit score, personal and your business credit score, as well as if you need a one-on-one training, one-on-one mentorship, you have questions and how to to monitor how to fix your credit, or what are those things that you need to watch and to consider. So please join with us, and feel free to contact me anytime. I can set up a free Zoom consultation for you any time of the day, or sometimes we schedule during the night, but not until only till 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern time. And just to let you know that our program is very affordable. It's only $97 for the first month. But of course, if you want to get advantage of the full course or program, it's only $497, and that would good for 3 to 6 months. So why not try to schedule with us for a free consultation, so that we can answer and assist you if you have any questions. And then we also have the smart investing, wherein we allow you to do the practice on if you are interested or curious into trading. So it's zero rest. We will gonna help you get into practice using the platform that we're using, Ninja Trade, and using the paper trading view. So it's only very affordable, $97 for your first training. And we also offer free consultation, free live Zoom, one-on-one training mentorship with us. And as well, you can also start for only $97. And for the financial education, we have free digital resources that we can give you during our free consultation. So don't waste the privilege, the time that Elite Credit and Investment Advisor is offering to everyone. And we want to, open this knowledge and, some learnings to everybody, that it might be helpful on your end. So this morning we are excited into a practice trade and how the market works, and if the candlestick or the stock market will be in favor, and our instinct, if our instinct is ready to roll in the market. So call 877-587-4540, and me, Emma, will be happy to assist you anytime of the day. Back to you, sir.
All right. Okay, so what we're going to be doing right away is we do have the 3 pillars of wealth. All 3 pillars have to be addressed if you want to be financially independent for the long term. The first one is personal credit restoration or rebuilding. So regardless of where your credit is, 4, 5, 6, or 7, or even if you have perfect credit, you're still going to need a credit monitoring system. This credit monitoring system that we personally are affiliated with is called Dispute Beast. It's the best I've ever seen, and I have seen a lot of them. It works extremely simply. It's an AI-driven credit repair. You literally just click a couple of buttons. It sends out your information, your dispute letters through Sprint Mail, all completely automated, or you can print the letters out yourself and mail them to save postage. All it charges you for is the postage. That's roughly $50 a month. Our program is $97 a month or $500 one-time fee, and the reason for that is it's worth $50 a month, which is less than coffee per day, to have a phone number that you can call and qualified professionals to walk you through the steps of repairing and restoring your credit, getting it where it needs to be. You can easily save more than $97 a month if you just increase your credit score by 100 points. And I personally have seen credit restored 152, 250, even 300 points in less than 90 days. So having said that, we're going to play a little video from Dispute Beast, which is our affiliate for our credit repair. And right after that, we'll talk a little bit more about it, and then we'll move on to the next level. So this is Mike, the dispute guy from
how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now, because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process, and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality, because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Luis, Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Tanya, Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Moving on to step number 7. This is my favorite because this is what really changed everything around for me. Use what's called the zero-based budget trick. Here's the key. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a job before you even spend it. Rent, groceries, gas, savings, debt. Your income minus expenses should equal 0. This is exactly how broke 20-somethings build rich habits. And of course, this one cannot be avoided. Step number 8, fix your credit score. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's your ticket to lower interest rates, better apartments, and yes, wealth. You want to always make sure to dispute inaccurate items because negative accounts are not accurate, complete, or fair. You can dispute anything your little heart desires. Always make sure to pay your credit cards on time and never let your utilization cross the threshold of 0%. We do not want to owe anybody any money and we don't want any debt. If your credit score sucks, link is going to be in the video description for DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast will do all the work for you, mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. There's literally no excuse. It's risk-free. Just fix your credit already.
And we're back. So, Mr. Mike, the credit guy from DisputeBeast. I use the DisputeBeast myself. I have lots and lots of people that use DisputeBeast with me, and it's absolutely fantastic. About every 30 to 40 days, it's going to have a countdown clock built into it. You click your buttons, you it selects everything that needs to be done. You send it out, your letters out through Sprint Mail, and your credit score just starts to rise. So you get your credit score back where you need it, get a good solid platform with the credit, so that you can accomplish anything. But you need a solid foundation with your credit score. Okay, having said that, we're going to go ahead and pull up here. And of course, DisputeBeast is an affiliate that we use, and we sign you up with them directly. So all the payments and everything that you do go directly to them, and you take care of business with them. We don't have access to any of that material. That's between you and them. We are an affiliate, so we make a little bit. It allows us to stay on the air. When you do sign up, it's not a whole lot, but we also show you how that you can use it to sign a few people up to work with you, and yours can come out completely free. So it does start out at $50 a month, but if you sign up 5 people, you get $10 a piece. You can get, if you sign 5 people, yours is free. So that's always, so everything we have, absolutely every product that we offer has got a free version of it, okay? We've got a free version of our digital, our printed materials come in digital for free. Our Zoom meetings, if you want, are one of the original 10 that comes on our Zoom meetings every day. Those are free. Our programs are completely free unless you sign up with something that we're offering you one-on-one for the personal mentorship. Having said that, we need to pop over here and do our disclaimer, and then we'll be right back.
Provided by Elite Consultants USA LLC is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or investment advice. Any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples for learning only, and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions.
And we're back. All right, with that, we're going to go ahead and share our screen and show a little bit of stock market trading this morning for some tips. And let's see, Miss Emma, you can let me know what amount do you want to start? What do you want to start with on the trading account? I've been, we have
500, sir.
You want to start with 500? 500 is one of my favorites as well.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and try that out. So what we're going to do is, those of you at home that are watching that are interested, what we do is when you sign up and work with us on one of our programs, we get you signed up on a free TradingView practice account. TradingView is locked in with the real stock market data. So this is real daily data. It's the honest to God stock market. We trade the MNQ1 exclamation point, which is the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 index futures. It's the entire NASDAQ. So it's very consistent. It's got plenty of volatility, moving up and down every day. There's plenty to trade, plenty of money to be made, and you get this absolutely free. It's completely risk-free because it's what they call paper trading, so that you're trading money in a simulator until you get settled. We're resetting our account to $500 today, and my personal trading strategy is very simple. We're going to make 4 trades a day, and out of those 4 trades, we're going to tally them up at the end of the day. I've got what's called a trading journal that we go by, and we're starting off this month. We're starting with every trade that we enter, whether it's going to be a break even, whether we lose, or whether we make money. We're going to document it for 30 full days for this month. Today is the best possible day to get started with us on our Trade Like a Ninja program. If you want to do our 20-day program, Monday through Friday, 4 weeks. First 2 weeks, we show you everything that we know about the TradingView platform, which you're looking at right now. The next 2 weeks, we sign you up for a Ninja Trader, which is the broker platform. And if you are ready and want to sign up and trade real money, by the end of the month, you'll be able to do that. So we're going to take a look over here. I'm clicking my little button to see what direction I think that the market is headed. And we'll look at 5 days. So we're going to click in over here to 5 days. You can see that. If you want to see how things have been going, you can see this is a 1 day, a 5 day, a 1 month. We're going to look at the 5 day chart just to see where we've been to where we're at. So you notice we're right in here. All right. So there's a high point here, high point here, high point here, which means quite naturally, if we drew lines on these bottoms, or even a rectangle right through here, we had a rectangle right through here, we'd see that we're pretty close to the top. Pretty close to the top. Now, being pretty close to the top doesn't mean they're done going up. Because if we'll notice, we can pull over here and go to a month and look at that chart. Let's back out of that a little bit. You know, we are almost as high as we have been for a month, but not quite. And then we'll look at 3 months. And this is when you start to see that we're a little lower than the highest high and, for that month. 6 months, higher than we've been. We're in a general bullish market. We're continuing to climb, and year to date. So you know, it's part of our research that we do. The very next thing I do is I make this candle chart bigger so you can see it and I can see it bigger. And that's how we do that right there. We're going to click the 1 day chart, make it a 1 day. And then I'm going to come right underneath the ruler is this plus, and that plus is a magnifying glass. And I just highlight the area I want to make bigger, stretch it out a little bit. We want these to be pretty substantially large right here, because that's the direction we're going to be trading. And we're going to look at this set of candlesticks for just a minute. Now these candlesticks, as they rise and lower, the greens, of course, going up, shows a bullish direction on market. The red candlesticks coming down show a bearish. You can see that we just had a little bearish indicator going on there. Pretty substantial bearish indicator, as a matter of fact, starting to head down. But then it consolidates and comes back up. So the market is trending sideways. And all of the experts will tell you trending means it can't really make its mind up. It's not doing like here where it's, you know, definitely going low. It's not going here where you can definitely see it's climbing. And that's really what you want. What you really want is to be able to call it right in here somewhere and say, oh, well, this green candlestick is definitely an indicator I can jump in and I can ride the tide to here. Then the red one ride the tide down here with the bearish and ride back up. And when it's consolidating like this, when it's trending sideways, it's literally anybody's guess. So since it's anybody's guess, we're okay with that. We can trade any market anytime, regardless of whether it's trying to climb up or trying to climb down. What we do is we simply keep our eye on the ball. We're going to click the sell, so we're going to trade down. We've got $500, so we could trade up to 5 units. We've got to set up in our mind a determination now, how much are we going to try to make on this trade? And I'm going to say $25 to $50. All right, because if I remember, I'm going to trade 4 times today. If I make $25 to $50 4 times, I'll either take home $100 for the day or $200 for the day. I don't want to get greedy. I want to know that I can bring home that same amount of money guaranteed every time. And so I want to pick an attainable goal. Now, one of the ways that I can tell where to go, how many units, and everything that I need to do is I can pull up my handy chart that's built into our Trade Like a Ninja, and it looks like this. So the first stage in Trades Like a Ninja is the white belt, because there are eight belts: white, yellow, orange, green, blue, red, brown, black. So if I was to look for my very first belt, the white belt, which is the beginner, it will look something like this. Let me pull that up. All right, and this tells me that I've got a $500 starting account. I'm risking 1 unit, which is $25. And then I would write down 1 unit, what the price was, and the win or the loss. So I'm coming over here, I'm putting 1 unit over here. On my trading screen here. There we go. All right, 1 unit. Then we're going to raise that up a little bit. Take profit. We need 50 ticks on this take profit. Stop loss, same thing here, 50 ticks. Now, since I've been talking, I've kind of talked myself out of going with the bear, and I've decided to switch to the bull market because it's trending up. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in on the buy side. Gonna pull our stop loss down. The stop loss will, what we do with it, it's like a break. It makes it so it guarantees that we cannot lose any more than $101 right there. All right, the take profit. We'll take a look at our take profit. That all the way down here. And we currently have a take profit of $50. And that'll work just fine. All right. Now what I'll do is I'll get rid of that chart so you can see it. I'll get my white belt. Now this is my journal paper. This white belt journal paper. This is what I'm going to fill out. I'm going to put 1 unit. I'm going to put $50 here, and if I win $50, I'm going to put $50 there. If I earn $50, if I lose, I'll put it here. The price is 1 unit. Price is $25 risk. Okay. So let me go ahead and pull this off. This is all, and again, this is all included in your training program. So if you decide to train with us, these will be things that we go over with daily. So now we're watching our trade, and I believe I can move. Let me move this over to the side here so you can see it better. There we go. It should be a little bit bigger now. Better, not a lot better, but anyway. All right, so the red numbers means that it's consolidating, trading against us, trying to slip down, but we're not really concerned because we've got plenty of room between where we're at and the stop loss at $100. And again, trading the trend, we've studied the trend enough to know that it is a bearish market. I'm sorry, it is a bullish market. Occasionally it's going to slip down into the bears, but we got to believe it's going to go up there and turn green and make us that $50. And now we'll be done. We'll be done for the day. Make that trade. I'm sorry, done for now. We're going to trade 4 times. I trade 4 times a day. I trade once about market opening, which is 9:30, 11:30, and then I wait till the afternoon and I trade the 1 o'clock and then the close of the day, which is 4 o'clock. So somewhere between 1 and 4. That's pretty much my day. Then I might take 1 after hours trade in the evening if the market looks good and everything is doing well. After hours, I might come in and make another $50 to $100. So once again, our goal today is $50. We'd like to make 100, but 50 is fine. We can make 54 times, which is $2. $200 a day. And what we're waiting for right now is for that market shift to go ahead and trend upwards with our 1 little unit to the $50 mark. Okay. I think I can make that just a little bit bigger. Let me try. There we go. Now, what you're looking at these candlesticks that are trending downward. But if you'll notice, we had a start right in here. We had a good climb all the way to here. Then we trended, and we went up a little. Now, so naturally, you could pretty much expect it to retrace down to here. And then it honestly should develop a support system. It's called support and resistance. And then once it develops the support systems that should be right in here, it should go ahead and parlay its happy self right on back up here. So because this little design you're looking at, this 2 greens up and then the reds down, this is one of the patterns that we trade in the trading strategy. Okay, so you're going to see it turn green and go up. And I'm going to try to identify that for you. We like to call, that's pretty much a gravestone doji on the pattern for that particular set of candlesticks. I'm going to go ahead and look again at the charts here and see. And let's see, we got a green. An evening star. Yeah, the evening star showed up right in here, and that gave us a bearish trade down. So currently, we're looking at a red candle down, green candles trading up. You can see that the numbers here in the red are vacillating back and forth between pluses and minuses. We want these to go down and to zero and turn green. So keep your fingers crossed while we keep looking at the patterns, and we'll see what the chances are. There are some good confirmations. I see the confirmations happening here. You can see the numbers that are going to the smaller side here are consolidating. So let's just keep the ball rolling. All sorts of candlestick patterns to study and directions of travel, patterns, cheat sheets, all of these will be included. The hammer, candlestick, the piercing pattern, bullish engulfing. I focus on the bullish engulfing all the time. Bullish engulfing, this pattern indicates a reversal from a downtrend as more buyers enter the market and move the prices up after a long downtrend. That's this right here. That's what happens right here. That's bullish engulfing. All right, and that's what happened here. All right, so pretty confident we're going to come up here and get tagged, and then we'll look at the pattern at that point and see if we want to continue to trade. So lots of really good information available to us. It's just fascinating how the trading market works. You can get in for as little as $500, and I have traded $500 up to over 50K several times in demonstration purposes, and I can do that with you as well. One-on-one in person or in group training, $500 you can trade it up. We started with $500 on the account today, and we'll trade it up a little bit here, and then we'll get out for the day, and we'll come back and trade again tomorrow. But we do want to see that go ahead and consolidate right here, turn from red to green, and once it turns green, we'll go ahead and take that win and move on to our next subject. But all right, while it's thinking about what it's wanting to do, we'll pop over here and find us another commercial video. Today, it's going to be out a new trucking plan that we've got for truckers. We've got a copy and paste Bitcoin digital trading program called BG, okay? And it's a wealth building program. It's got an app that you download to your phone. You copy and paste the trading signal 2 times a day, and it makes some pretty decent money. You can start at 500. You can go all the way up to 5K if you'd like. At $500 entry, I've made a little over $130 in 5 days just with those 2 little copy and paste. So it's gas money, it's grocery money at the $500 level, but at the $1,000 level, as you go up, you get more and more money. A good friend of mine is making $1,200 a week, and all he's doing is copy and pasting those 2 signals. Because naturally, the more you're trading, the more that's in there. The Bitcoin robots are grabbing that, and the copy and paste signal trading is the absolute easiest that you can do, and that's the subject of our latest program coming up now.
Advisors in the latest in AI investment opportunities. What if I told you that thousands of people are already making incredible money with just copy and paste signals? It sounds too good to be true, but with BGEX, Pro and Professor Stephen Beard leading the way, this technology is changing everything. Here's how it works. Our AI system generates precise trading signals that you simply copy and paste. No complex analysis, no guesswork, just proven results. We call it the 3 pillars of wealth, and it's completely risk-free. While others are still trying to figure out traditional investing, our members are already capitalizing on AI-powered opportunities that most people don't even know exist. The results speak for themselves. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Call us at 1-877-587-4540 and discover how you can join the thousands who are already transforming their financial future with AI investment signals.
And there you have it. Copy and paste AI investment signals from Elite Credit, which we highly recommend it, that you, if you're a person that's on the go and you're trading, you want to make a little money and get started, this is a Bitcoin trading app that really works. Professor Stephen Beard is in charge. He's worth $78 million. He's got a $70 million SEC certificate behind him. Very credible. He's worked for Binance back in the day. He is a Series 65 and Series 7 certified financial analyst and financial planner. He's got a fantastic history behind him. We'll share some more of his credentials some other day. Great guy, though. So that's one of our other programs that we've got there. One final video, and then we'll consolidate here. It looks like our trading is taking its time going up and down. So and it is trending sideways, which is a terrible time to get in the market when it trends because you have to wait. But we will play one other video real quick, and then we'll jump out. Again, on the truck, if you want to own your own truck, the stock market is the way to go. You can learn a little bit about your trading process, do a copy and paste program, or learn to trade on your own and trade like I do daily, and make just an unlimited amount of money depending on what you want to invest in and how much you can trade.
Possible without massive capital. Here's how I prove them wrong. With just 0, you can build your own trucking empire. Get monthly 500 payouts while we help you fast-track business credit on your EIN. Our experts guide you every step of the way, from paperwork to profits. Call 1-800-777-587-4000, 540 now. Trucks, credit, freedom. Let's roll.
And there you have it in a nutshell. If you are interested in owning your own truck or becoming a trucking entrepreneur, it's not difficult at all. It simply requires 2 of the 3 pillars of wealth. The first 2, of course, personalized credit, repairing and restoring your personal credit from 4, 5, 6, or 7 to an 800 or better. The second one is building business credit on your EIN instead of your personal social. Okay, that's the second pillar. And that's what our Leverage AI program does, and that's what we do with the trucking program. You invest $5,000 in the trucking builder program, you're going to be receiving a $500 a month payment out of that for a year, so you get $6,000 back on the $5K. But while you're doing that, you're building your personal business credit to over $250,000 to $500,000. With business credit like that on a no-doc business on your EIN instead of your social, you can just decide what, when, and where you want to work, if you do. Or you could simply own a trucking company and have other people drive for you. So getting in off the road, we're offering all kinds of solutions and also instructions on how to make the money daily. So let's look back at our chart here. It looks like we're down to 44.50. One of the options that we have naturally is that we could jump out to jump back in, but all we're after is $50 on the trade, and I see that the numbers are declining, so they're down to 37, and they're going to go back and forth between 37, and then once they hit that blue line, cross that blue line right there, that would be a profit. So down to 36, 34.50. Just going to give it just a few minutes and see how it does right there. In the meantime, Miss Emma, if you want to take it away, we'll let you tell us a little bit more about our programs, the 3 pillars of wealth, and such as that. So it's on you.
Okay, sir. Well, yes, again, for those interested to join our program and that belongs to the 3 pillars of wealth, just contact me anytime at 877-587-4540. We have a free one-on-one consultation with us if you choose to join, so that you can actually check which one are you going to join first. Is it the smart investing, the credit mastery, or the financial education? You can also choose the 3 program in one package. So just give me a call so that I can arrange and I can give you the best in the best price that we can offer to our members. So just let me know, and we also have some free digital books, online resources that can help you and that you can study every day. And as well as you can also bring people with us and join our free one-on-one consultations. So that's Monday to Saturday, or just comment down on our Facebook page, YouTube channel, and Instagram, and we'll be here to assist.
Fantastic.
Marketing your business and keeping up with AI tools shouldn't be this hard. That's why there's Lev AI, the all-in-one customer growth system built for entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, small business owners, and many others. From the start, Lev AI learns your brand and voice. Need a post right now? My AI Social gives you platform-ready content, comments, and DMs that sound just like you and speaks to your audience. Want your message everywhere? With My AI Video, you can create an AI twin that looks and sounds like you, or select an avatar to deliver your script in nearly any language. Need a website today? My Web spins up a branded site. Copy, images, SEO, ready in minutes. With My Network, add contacts by screenshot. Lev AI enhances each contact you add and creates a personality profile, then suggests what to say next and tracks follow-ups. It also reminds you when to reach out. And with My Prospects, find new prospects, filter by location or role, and know exactly how to approach them. Not sure how to reply to a prospect? Help Me Reply keeps conversations moving and wins you more customers. With Lev AI, you show up, stay consistent, and grow without an expensive agency or a dozen tools. Ready to make AI marketing simple? Join as a member to use Lev AI for your business. Want to earn by sharing Lev AI? Become a partner. Get Lev AI.
All right. So Lev AI is our business credit builder, and something we're extremely proud of as one of our affiliates, because it assists you in building your business credit, and you've got a CRM built into it. It's got advertising. We saw some of the details on it. Extremely reasonable. I think it's $90 a month, something like that. And it's, of course, rolled into one of our convenient packages. This looks like it's trending on the trade so far. It looks like it's trending. Taking a little time. The market's not real volatile right at this moment. Taking a little time coming on out. So what I would do in a situation as this is I would probably just let it trade, because it's going to go ahead and take its own sweet time and get to where it's trying to go anyway. So let's go ahead and pop on out. Show you what to do. We'll pop on out right there. Okay. We're going to switch gears just a little tiny bit. We'll go ahead and hit the trade button. We're going to hit on the sell side. We're going to hit 1 unit. Set our take profit stop loss 50 clicks. Go ahead and get a little more room right there. So we're going to set 50. Because it was taking its own sweet time on the trading up, and it's still trying to trade up. But we're going to go ahead and hit the button for down. And now we're seeing a profit raise. See there? It's got a little profit going on. We'll raise that up there. Confirm. Bring that profit set 25 bucks. We'll leave the profit on 25 bucks. Break that. Get that out of there. Now let's look at it. All right. Now we switched gears because the trend was going up here with the green candles to here. It consolidated, it came over, it came down, and started a little downward trend. So having that downward trend, we just went ahead and switched gears and decided to go to the bear side of the market. We put us a little $25 in here to take profit. So what it'll do is when it gets through trying to push up toward the top, it'll switch, change gears. These numbers that right here in the red will tick down, and as they tick down and turn green, then that'll be profit. And as they come from this red button, this red line to here, they'll close out that $25, and that will be our profit. So you see it talking, it's coming down now from 15, and it's vacillating just a little bit. it's going to have a little pressure going up, but it's going to grow tired of that pressure. It's going to fall down, and as it falls down, it's going to pick up momentum. With that little bit of momentum coming through the profit margin there and taking us out on the 25. Okay, that's what's going to happen. And we'll give it just a few more minutes, and then we'll go ahead and call it a day. We're at 44 minutes. I like to be in and out of the educational part of what we're doing within 45 minutes because Lord knows people are extremely busy out there. They got a lot of stuff going on. But that's the basics of what we do and how we do it. You continue to trade. You plan your trade your plan. That's the secret. Oh, there's you see the numbers are coming down right here to the 4, to the 2, and then they'll come through and they'll make us profit here in a minute. So that's what you want to do. You want to have the discipline to trade a small amount until you get more confidence to trade more. It's no more difficult to trade more money than less. The only thing that changes is your risk versus reward. And you'll hear this again if you train with us for any short amount of time. Most people tell you that 90% of day traders and scalpers lose 90% of their trading account within 90 days. So it is important to have somebody to walk alongside you and show you the ropes so you don't have to lose real, honest to God, hard-earned money. And trade with this TradingView platform. Costs absolutely nothing. Zero risk, zero cost. We can get you set up in as little as an hour, and Emma and I can work with you one-on-one and check to see if this is something you're interested in, something you want to do. If you're an over-the-road truck driver and you want to get in immediately and you want to start making a profit, we can show you how to do that copy and paste algorithm for that app. Super fast. They send you the signal 3 times a day, 2 to 3 times a day. You copy it with your finger on your phone. You place it, you make money. That is it. You don't have to worry about anything else. Pull over for your sandwich at the time to trade, and the time to trade are 1 p.m. in the afternoon and 7 p.m. at this point in time. And you can trade that. And we can also get you set up with a laptop or a tablet and train you one-on-one from wherever you're at, whatever risk stop all over the world, and get you started to trading the real stock market. Because just like Mike the credit guy from the Dispute Beast told you, trading time for money it's an upside down world. Okay, we need to get multiple streams of income. If we're going to be wealth builders, we got to deal the wealth with something. This literally takes out the middleman. You're using money to make money. You're learning about money as you go. Personal credit restoration, business credit built on your EIN for your business credit builder with Leverage AI, and your in-person elite credit investment advisors. And finally, the stock market, which is always every day and consistent in money making. You can trade up, you can trade down. Miss Emma, I'll let you talk with some words of encouragement before we pop out, and then I will click the magic button to take us into the rest of our afternoon, and then of course later tomorrow. So let me see if I can get myself straightened out here, and it's all you, my friend.
All right. Well, thank you so much, sir, for showing us the TradingView today. What I can, encourage everyone is don't be afraid to try new things. So if you want to get into fixing your credit, personal or building your business credit, please feel free, again, to contact us at 877-587-4540. And if you wanted to start learning into the modern, world of the crypto trading, please call me with the same phone number. And again, let's start building your future together, and let's start learning every day. And we are excited, Elite Credit and Investment Advisor, to welcome newbie in our team. So see you tomorrow for another exciting practice trade. And God bless everyone.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 pillars of wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live Wealthy Now, #3 Pillars of Wealth, #Elite Advisors, #Rincon Rocks Radio.